And then the next is 2-year residency. And then nabalik siya sa 1-year residency. And then now it's 1-year residency but equivalent of
Pero
2 years.
2 years, 2
Kung
playing years.
tutuusin, 'di ba? Parang yung ngayon, what they want to implement now, which is 1-year residency pero 2 years eligibility. Hindi na siya ganun kasakit for the prospective players na alam naman natin 3 to 4 seasons lang yun. Kasi parang ano na sa kanila yan. Parang if they're good enough, they will leave. Siguro ang pinaka-apektado dyan yung mga players that find themselves in the wrong team because of lack of opportunity and they want to seek a better playing time opportunity elsewhere pero masasagasaan. So I guess we can have that pwede i-evaluate siguro. Kasi yun nga pahirapan